Good day, growers. With Thanksgiving right around the corner, we are going to be making a homemade pumpkin pie. What you are going to need for this is 29 ounces of pumpkin puree. You are going to need a cup and a half of white sugar. You are going to need 4 large eggs, 24 ounces of heavy cream, and you are going to need a whole bunch of spices. Here we have a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, a teaspoon of ground ginger, and a half a teaspoon of cloves. You are going to want to mix your pumpkin with all of your spices, your sugar, and your eggs. You're going to want to just mix this all together. Okay, so once we have the spices and the pumpkin puree all mixed up well, we are going to add our cream. You can use canned pumpkins for this recipe, and you can use evaporated milk if you want. Then we are going to mix this up. Okay, you are going to want to pour this into prepared pie crusts. And you are going to want to put these in the oven and bake them at 425 for 15 minutes. And then reduce the heat to 350 and bake for another 40 to 50 minutes or until done. Hope you enjoy. Happy homesteading.
Thanks for watching. Remember to share, comment, subscribe, and like for more amazing content just like this.